All right, let's get started with our heart applique. You're going to need some yarn. Any weight is fine. Just make sure you have a hook that matches. I'm using an H hook with some worsted medium weight yarn. You'll need scissors and a yarn needle. These hearts work up super quickly and they're done in just one round. So let's start with a magic circle. Pick up your hook, go under your yarn, over the top, pull this piece through, turn it around there, pinch it, drop your fingers, grab your working yarn, and start by making a chain of 3. There's 1, 2, and 3. Next, we're going to place 2 double crochets into our magic circle. So yarn over and pull up a loop, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the remaining 2 loops, and that completes your first double crochet. Let's make another one. Yarn over, insert your hook through the magic circle, yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, 2 loops remain, yarn over and pull through the remaining 2 loops on your hook. Very good. So next we're going to place 3 half double crochets into our magic circle. So yarn over, insert into your magic circle, pull up a loop, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over again, and pull through all 3 of those loops on your hook. And that's your first half double crochet. Make 2 more of those. Yarn over, grab your yarn, pull up a loop, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through those 3 loops on the hook. That's our second half double crochet. 1 more to go. Yarn over and pull through. And now we're going to double crochet again. Just 1 double crochet, and this will complete the first half of the heart. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through those last 2. Now we're going to reverse that and make 3 half double crochets again. Yarn over, insert your hook into the magic circle, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through the 3 loops on your hook. That's 1 half double crochet. Do that 2 more times. That's 1. Again. Good. Now we're going to do 2 double crochets. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over and through the last 2. Repeat that once more. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over again, and pull through those remaining 2 loops. Now we're going to finish by chaining 3. 1, 2, and 3. Now slip stitch back into your magic circle. Good. Now you can fasten off and tighten up your heart. So it's made in just 1 round, and once you get the hang of it, you can make these in just a couple of minutes. So I'm going to snip off my yarn tail there. I'm going to pull my yarn through to finish that off. You can weave in these ends, or you can tie them in a loop at the top, which makes a cute little keychain. You can weave in the ends, and they can be appliques that you can sew onto your other projects. So there's lots of different options you can make with these cute little hearts. And they're just pretty to look at. You can make a garland, I mean, all kinds of ideas. So I hope you enjoyed this. I'm going to show you a quick tip here. So I just finished a few more of these hearts. And if you're not making a keychain like the ones up in the right hand corner, you can tighten up your heart. And I am like beyond lazy and hate weaving in my ends. So I discovered if you tie these two yarn tails in the back in a double knot. So make a double knot. If you don't want to weave in your tails, of course. So if you make a double knot there, well, that's one. Let me knot it again. And just snip those tails off really close to the knot. Be careful not to, get into a loop or anything, but trim those. And nobody will know that you didn't weave in your ends. You can sew that on or do whatever you're going to do with it, but you can't even really tell, and I'm lazy and don't want to weave in my ends. I so hope you enjoyed this quick and easy heart tutorial. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you want more like this, hit subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. This is Jess from But First Crochet.